almost 100,000 people have taken my test, and version 2 point something is now out. And because there's 4 results at the end of the test, a lot of people are leaving this comment that they're 25% of a bunch of different styles, and that's kind of a limitation of the software, but also something that you can use to really decide what style you really like. So let me explain exactly how that works. When you take the test, at the end you'll be given 4 different results, and I answered the questions very quickly. I did get a 31%, but a lot of people will get results that are like 25% in a bunch of categories, and that's totally okay, because what you're meant to do is click on each of these images to really decide what your style is. I do like industrial, which is what this one is, but it's not my favorite. Here's my second result. Also, I like this style, but not my favorite again. I'm really vibing with this one. I really like this one. This one's a little bit too minimal for me, so I'm gonna say no to that one. Then I'm gonna go back to this page and I'm gonna see what these letters are down here. This is what's gonna really tell you about your style and yourself. I am a bold style preference. That means I like colors that are high in contrast. I like maximal design, so that means a lot of stuff and interest going on in the space. My style preference is assertive, which means unusual angles and shapes. Think abstract art, things that are surprising, that are definitely man-made. So if you got 25% in all 4 categories, don't fret, that's okay. Just go through the options and pick the one you really like, and you can really understand what your personal style is. We can all change our preferences at any time. So once you understand what the visual interest is in, you can actually really create a mood in any room that really reflects what you want.